Hello and welcome to STWebDesigner. Today we're going to start using Marvel, and in this tutorial we're going to be creating screens within a project. Before we start, the first thing you'll need to do if you haven't already got an account is to sign up. Signing up for an account is really quick and easy, and it's free. Once you've signed up for an account, or if you've already got one, you'll need to log in. And once you log in, you'll be greeted with the screen that you're seeing now. So, there are 3 ways in which we can add screens to a project. And I'm going to be showing you 2 of those ways. The first way is to create a screen using the Marvel Wireframing tool. And the second way is to import screens from your computer of your designs that you've already made up. The third and final way that I won't be showing you how to do today is to download the Marvel app on your phone or other device and use the in-app camera to take pictures of, say, your paper wireframes and then upload them to your Marvel project. Before we can add screens, we need to actually create a project, and to do this we click the Create Project button up at the top here, where we're greeted with this pop-up window, where we can add a project title and choose the device we're designing for. So I'm just going to give this a title, and we're going to be designing for a website. And then once we've done that, we need to click Create Project. So like I said earlier, there are 2 ways that I'll be showing you how to add screens. The first way I'm going to show you is to use the Marvel Wireframing tool, which is under this design section here. Now this will take you to a canvas where you can start putting elements on your canvas to create your screen. Now there are many features within this wireframing tool. So you've got shapes and text, as well as pre-designed elements for different devices. You also get stock photos and icons to use. So I'm just going to quickly put in a few elements so you can sort of see how it works. You also get a few settings on the right hand side. So on the left hand side you have all your elements, and on the right hand side you have your settings. This allows you to arrange your elements, align your text, change the width of your elements, change the rotation, and we also can change the opacity of an element using this slider. When we add an image onto the canvas, we also get a few extra options, and I think you get that with adding rectangles and other shapes. So if we add an image in here, we get more appearance settings where we can change the fill colour, we can add a border, and we can change the radius of the shape. So we can basically give the shape a more rounded feel rather than it being square. And that's really how simple it is to use the wireframing tool within Marvel. Once you've created your screen within this wireframing tool, to add it to your project, you click Add to Project. And this brings the screen here that you can then view like this. The second way to add screens to a project is to import them from your computer. To do this, you simply click Add Images. You can also import them using Dropbox, Google Drive or Box. But for now, I'm just going to select Computer. And I've got some screens that I've pre-created that I'm going to add into the project. So the screens that I've just added in there, I designed using Photoshop, saved out to a PNG, and I've imported them into Marvel. So there are the two ways in which you can add screens to a project. So we now have a few screens on our Marvel project. And in next week's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to link the screens together to create a working prototype that you can show your clients. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and I'll see you next week for part 3. Bye for now.